Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation on fingerprint analysis, the foundation of biological identification. In this presentation, we will explore the core principle, pattern classification, and crime scene recovery techniques presented by Utkarsh Singh, volunteer at Shivi Forensics. To start, what exactly are fingerprints? They are impressions created by friction ridges on the epidermis of human fingers, palm, and toes that provide traction. Fingerprint analysis relies on three core principles like individuality, permanence, systemic classification. Fingerprints are categorized into three pattern groups: loop, whirl, and arches, in which loop consists of about 60 to 65% of the human population, whirl consists of 30 to 35% of the human population, and arches consists the rarest pattern, which is only of about 0 to 5% of the human population. When experts compare fingerprints, they focus on minutia points, the specific risk characteristics used to establish positive identification. Key minutia details include ridge ending, bifurcation, dot or island enclosure. According to the verification rule, a match requires identifying multiple corresponding minutia points in identical spatial relationship with no unexplainable differences. At a crime scene, fingerprints generally fall into three categories like patent prints, which are visible impressions, plastic prints, which are 3D impressions, and latent prints, which is invisible, left by natural surf and oils. To develop latent prints, forensic teams use several methods like powder dusting, cyanoacrylate, nanhydrin, iodine fuming, and etc. In modern forensics, we rely on AFIS, the Automated Fingerprint Identification System. It converts pixel ridges maps into digital algorithm, cross-matching millions of database records in just seconds. However, final confirmation still requires a certified human examiner using the ACE framework: analysis, comparison, evaluation, and verification. A famous historical landmark in fingerprint is Stratton Brother case of 1905 London, following the brutal murder of shopkeepers Thomas and Anne Farrow. A greasy thumbprint was recovered from an open cash book. Scotland Yard matched this print to suspect Alfred Stratton. This marked the very first time fingerprint evidences directly secured a murder conviction in British legal history. In conclusion, despite advances in modern DNA profiling, fingerprint remains the fastest, most reliable, and cost-effective method of individual identification worldwide. The combination of unique ridges, biology, specialized chemical recovery, and automated database matching ensures fingerprint analysis remains a foundational pillar of modern criminal justice. Information presented is based on key forensic references, which are on the last slide. Thank you.